Gorilla carts are the top of the line cart for hauling stuff around your garden. In less than 2 minutes, I will put together and review a Gorilla cart. Okay, before we begin, let's please like and subscribe my little channel. Okay, let's begin. Here's the Gorilla cart poly garden dump cart with a steel frame. As you can see here, still in the box. Okay, we're going to be opening the box in just a second. As you can see, all the parts are still disassembled. Here is the instruction manual, which is pretty helpful. One little secret hint is to use a screwdriver, a needle nose pliers, and a socket set with a 1/2 inch socket. The instructions note that you need crescent wrenches, but those really slowed things down for us. As you can see, this cart is really high quality material. A lot of great parts and very well done. Okay, here we go. And a fully assembled Gorilla cart with the instructed tools. Without video editing, it took about 15-20 minutes to fully assemble the Gorilla cart. We tested the capacity of the cart by everyone getting into the cart and trying to ride it down the hill. As comical as that seems, the Gorilla cart really held up to the silly test. The selling point of the Gorilla cart, in addition to high quality materials, is the dumping ability. All you have to do to take a dump is pull this little lever right in front, as I'm going to do, and the wheels contract together and everything and everyone falls out of the cart. Well, that's it in under 2 minutes. Please like and subscribe, as that'd be really helpful and help us out. Thank you.